Good things should not be withheld from your loved ones, because Peaches has the Joey free for you. Let's see what we have. This time we're going to see how we can get insert. What are the things we are going to insert anyway? We're going to see how we can insert text, like, word art. We're also going to see how we can use header and footer. We're also going to see how we can insert like page layout. What are they? Okay, watch me this. We're going to see how you can get first is landscape and portrait under page layout. We're also going to see how we can insert something like illustrations. Illustration, what is it? Okay, under illustration we have organizational chart. Okay, so we're going to see how we can get some of those terms. In fact, Insert really has more to offer you. Pictures insertion. I know you can't wait to get that very part of it, isn't it? Let's see how we can get